the latest decision by US District Court in the takeover battle between India's Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited and the Israeli drug maker Taro Pharmaceutical, though favorable to the Indian company, it may not make much of an impact in the ongoing takeover battle, because an important decision is awaited from the Israeli Supreme Court on the same matter, which is awaited at any moment. Unless and until that decision comes, Sun Pharmaceuticals cannot take over or acquire the management control at the Israeli company. The ongoing takeover battle is after Sun Pharmaceuticals signed a merger agreement with Taro Pharmaceuticals in 2007 for a $454 million acquisition deal. But the promoters, after 1 year, dishonored the agreement and they rejected the merger deal, saying that Sun Pharmaceuticals undervalued the Israeli drug maker. Following which, Sun Pharmaceuticals had used one of the clauses within the same agreement by which they could issue a tender offer to buy all the outstanding shares from the market as well as from the promoters. Though the US court order is in favor of Sun Pharmaceuticals, since an important decision awaited from the Israeli Supreme Court, this may not make a significant impact in this development. After Sun Pharmaceuticals issued a tender offer in the US, Taro management has challenged the same offer at the Israeli Supreme Court, asking for a special tender offer to be floated by Sun Pharma. In the event of Israeli Supreme Court giving a decision asking Sun Pharma to make a special tender offer, it will be much more difficult for the Indian company, because a special tender offer will require at least 50% voting approval from the Taro board. So that decision is still awaited from Israeli Supreme Court.